Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, September 28th. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. So today we're going to be looking at the chart of Bank of America, BAC 30 minutes chart here. Alright, so let's see what we have. We ended with 2 here, so it is going to be in a 5 waves. And now we are in the process of ending this with 3 in the minor degree, and within the wave 3 we subdivide into another 5 waves. We have 1, 2 in the minute degree here, 3, 4, and then now looking to finish with 5, which should be ending with 3, right? So this is pretty simple and straightforward, and we continue to see further downside in the market, and any rally should therefore fail in the sequence of 3-7-11 swing against $34.88 here. So let's zoom out a little bit to have some ideas. I'm gonna be looking at the daily chart and pay attention to this wave 2 position. We're gonna copy this into the daily time frame, and let's see what we got. So this is the daily time frame, and this is the position of the wave 2 here. Okay, so if this is a wave 2, that will mean this is your wave 1 here. We are about to be ending only within wave 3, so we're only talking about this cycle that started from September 12th, right? Within the cycle that started from September 12th, that will be in a 5 ways down, which we have 1, 2 already, and then now finishing with 3. You can see a clear extension to the downside here, typical characteristic of a wave 3. Okay, now if we take a look at the daily time frame, let's see a couple of interesting things. So from the peak here on the February this year, okay, what we have so far is you can clearly see this is your connector. And how do we know that? It's because it's clearly everything trades within the same sort of channel except this one. So this is your sort of your connector from the peak. So this cycle from the peak ended here, and this is a new cycle. And if you take a look at this cycle from February high to this low in July, it looks to be like a 5 ways, right? It looks like a 5 ways down, and therefore that 5 ways down should be ending either with A or with 1, right? Because it is a 5 waves. If it, I mean, and look at the current price, unless you believe this is going to rally, which we are kind of everything else is breaking below this June-July low. If you look at the S&P and the Dow and so on, they already break below that low. So that suggests most likely with a higher probability this is going to break this previous low. And if this is your connector, then this again either is with 1 or with A. This could be with B or with 2. It is a pretty shallow rally, and then if it breaks below here, it will open up the next leg lower, right? And you can just simply measure the extension. I know if it goes to 100%, it is pretty scary, right? It is pretty scary. It can go down to like 16.5, which is almost 50% off from where we are. But at least, even though it truncates, the direction is clearly lower at this point, right? Even if it truncates and doesn't hit the 100% over here. So shorter cycle is very simple. Any rally should continue to fail in 3-7-11 swing, and BAC should continue to go down again as long as we stay below 3488. Okay, so for further updates you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link can be found in the description of the video. See you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.